Okay, so guys, update tuntun ti jáde o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Maureen Badejo. Tá bá rántí wípé was it yesterday and today ó ní wọ́n fi sórí page wọn wípé she's going for another hearing and we should all pray for her. Okay, so we now have a latest update. There is someone that actually posted it like anyone in court, and in fact it is not good at all. I got it from here, so I'm reading it, not that way I'm fabricating it or maybe reading it from my head. And this is what it said. From digital pulpit to prison cell, our blogger Maureen Badejo defamatory campaign led her downfall. By our correspondent, in a decisive turn of events at the Federal High Court in Lagos on Monday, 6th, 2026, UK-based blogger Maureen Badejo was properly arraigned on a 4-count charge of cyber stalking and defamation. The court subsequently revoked the bail previously granted by a lower court and ordered her immediate remand at the Kirikiri Correctional Center. Maureen Badejo to one in Kirikiri presently, like she's back again there. The charges brought following a petition by Apostle Johnson Suleiman of Omega Fire Ministry paint a picture of a sustained online campaign aimed at destroying the reputation of religious figures through false and inflammatory publication. The charges, a pattern of malice. According to the charge sheet dated February 25th, 2026, the defendant and others still at large were accused of publishing allegedly false and defamatory content through a podcast on a GIHO TV media platform using a Facebook account. The prosecution alleged that the publication targeted Pastor Ajose Shola, a regional pastor of the Mountain of Fire and Miracle Ministry MFM in Igondo Parish, with 4 distinct allegations designed to incite public disorder. Count 1 alleges that Badejo made a podcast in which she claimed the cleric is involved in several diabolic practices like carrying sacrifices and engaging Sunday Oyelaki to do diabolic activities for him. They are really ready for Maureen Badejo. Count 2 accuses Badejo of publishing another podcast alleging that the pastor was having an affair with the wife of a pastor of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, living in the same estate. The police maintained that the statement was knowingly false and intended to cause public disorder. Kai, this matter long ago. Count 3 contains the most sensational allegations that the MFN pastor buried a live cow and ram behind his compound for satanic purposes and was using juju to control members of the church. The charge further alleged that the defendant described the pastor as a babalawo, a traditional priest who manipulates the congregation through diabolic means. Count 4 alleges that Badejo posted a publication questioning why the pastor allegedly performed rituals and used black medicine while selling manna water to church members, making a mockery of the church's spiritual practices. The police said the publication suggested the cleric used ritual practices instead of genuine religious teaching. According to the prosecution, the alleged offenses contravene section 24(1)(b) and are punishable under section 24(2)(2) of the Cybercrime Prohibition, Prevention, etc. Act as amended in 2024, which criminalizes the intentional dissemination of false information capable of causing a breakdown of law and order or posing a threat to life. Following her arraignment, Justice Aluko ordered that Badejo be remanded at the Kirikiri Correctional Center and adjourned the case until March 16, 2026 for the continuation of the hearing. Paul, this is too much. A pattern of defamation across jurisdiction. This arrest is not an isolated incident, but the culmination of a long history of legal troubles for the blogger. Her actions have drawn the eye of courts, both in Nigeria and United Kingdom. In a judgment delivered in January 2026, the UK High Court of Appeal upheld earlier ruling against Badejo, ordering her to pay £100,000 in damages to Dr. Daniel Olukoya, the general overseer of MFM, and his wife Folashade, after she lost a defamation suit. The court had earlier in April 2021 ordered her to pay £65,000 to Olukoya and £35,000 to his wife over defamatory publication. The UK court also directed her to publicly retract the defamatory statement and publish a summary of the judgment on her social media platform for 10 consecutive days. I don't think she did that actually. Delivering the UK judgment, Justice Lavender of the Queen Bench Division described Badejo's proposed grant of appeal as both hopeless and pointless, adding that her application was totally without merit. The court held that her online publications concerning Pastor Olukoya and his wife were false and defamatory, finding that the claim lacked factual basis. In Nigeria, an Ogun State High Court had previously ordered Badejo to pay 500 million to MFM and Dr. Olukoya for defamatory. This matter go long, with the judge describing her actions as reckless defamation and an evil use of internet and social media. The pit the dog, a biblical reckoning. It is particularly striking that Badejo had previously made statements suggesting that Dr. Olukoya was experiencing global shame as a result of their legal battle. Today's proceeding revealed the painful irony of her situation. The very global shame she prophesied against another has manifested become our own reality. The scripture speak directly to such circumstances. In Proverbs 26:27, we are warned, whoso diggeth a pit shall fall therein, and he that rolleth a stone, it will turn upon him. This ancient wisdom finds contemporary expression in Badejo's situation. The pit of defamation and false publication that she dug for others has become the very place of her confinement. A warning to media practitioners. The unfolding saga of Maureen Badejo stands as a cautionary tale for those who would use their media platform as instruments of defamation and character assassination. What began as a campaign against men of God has resulted in repeated legal defeat across 2 jurisdictions, substantial monetary judgments, and now incarceration or more. The Bible is unambiguous in its condemnation of such conduct. Proverbs 8:13 declares, the fear of the Lord is to hate evil. I hate arrogance, pride, and the evil way, and perverse utterances. And 8. As Badejo returned to Kirikiri Correctional Center, the case serves as a powerful reminder that the weapons of evil often turn against those who wield them. The very platform she used to disseminate falsehood has become the instrument of her public humiliation. The case continues on March 16, 2026, but for now, the message is clear. Those who dig pits for others must be prepared to lie in them. That is too much for her. That is like over 1 month She will be there 1 month, 10 days or more. Ha! I really feel for this woman. No, it is well. I can't say too much, really, but then, mo ele po. Bá ń ṣe opinion yín ní abala ìrísí. Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́yin rò? Eléyìí pọ̀ fún Maureen Badejo. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.